Hi, it's Ian Hull on 2 Minutes with Hull and Hull. So today I want to talk about another available planning tool that many of us, when we're doing estate planning, need to, in my view, consider. I like to tell my clients, look, there are ways to take a tax hit away and take the sting away if you get organized in advance. So when I see a couple who are in their 30s and they come to see me and they think, well, what does it matter? I'm going to live forever. I've got young kids. What does it matter? I have to start worrying about tax. Well, tax is one of those things that isn't going to go away. So I've talked a little bit about some of the relief that exists right now in the tax available for estate planning, and I've talked about use of good tools like life insurance to help fund tax planning on death because of the inevitable tax hit that you're going to have to pay. Another fundamental element of estate planning that ties to the tax regime that many of us, of course, understand and would expect is charitable giving. The concept that when I give money today, I get a tax break, and so that's how charities draw on us. Well, the charitable giving tool is a tool that we have many podcasts and blogs on. Our firm are very dedicated to making sure that our clients and our referring solicitors and referring advisors are well up to speed on various tools available from a charitable tax planning regime for your estate planning needs. And so we need to consider in our lifetime whether we want to give during our lifetime, or do we want to give after our lifetime, or do we want to give, for example, shares outright as opposed to creating another option could be we could create a foundation. So these are just a very cursory review of a variety of options that are available and that are useful tools both during your lifetime and on death to help defer or not defer, help take the sting out of the tax bill while you're alive or while you're dead. And charitable giving is one of the cornerstone elements of that for an estate planning standpoint, and there are some good options still well available to people today, both during lifetime and on death, to properly plan to help take some of the sting away from the tax burden that we all should and have to pay. So thank you very much for joining me at 2 Minutes on Hull and Hull.